Hey, if you're down today, you can have a little bit of my sunshine. Whoosh, 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 ah. You farted.
Boa semana pra você, meu amor. Tá bom, então.
Ai, esse...
Hi, Juice Newton. Hi, Newton. Yeah. Daisy.
Oh, no, 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 no.
Wait. 3.
Catching my look. Can do. Yeah, look.
Every time you lick it, she licks.
Jolene, you like this outfit? Jolene. Abu, are you getting tired? Trying to get him to. Oh. C'est rien, Pumba. Il va pas te manger.
Hey, what's up, big guy Paul? Fat boy. Yeah. Come on, let's go home.
Don't do it.
Staying cover. Good. Cover. Good boy.
Smoking? I don't smoke. I like choking. Not smoking.
What do I do for a living? I'm a professional attention seeker, obviously.
You're everything I need and more. It's written all over your face. Baby, I can feel your halo.
Yes, you gotta say back.
When you're that friend who plays too much.
Stop!
My mama always told me I could be whatever I wanted. So I became a problem.
Uma massagem boa.
Smile without your eyes. Raise your eyebrows. Stop smiling. That's your model face.
Bro, he is vibing with me. Look at this shit. Just vibes.
Hello. What you say? Oh, a talking dog. A talking dog. Hey, buddy.
What?
Good morning to you. Ha.
What has happened?
You to relax.
My little mustache.
He's got his mouth open, totally open.
Holy crap!
Oh my goodness.
Sushi. Do not. I can't.
She's ambitious.
My living room.
Can you give me kisses? Give me a kiss. You don't want to give me a kiss?
Roll over. Roll over. Sit.
What's he doing? Hi.
Oh my god. No! Stop! Arlo! Oh my god.
Qu'est-ce que tu as dans la bouche? Non, Cookie. Lâche-le. Cookie. Ah, elle est dans le lit.
Reginald, it's a Hoover. It is not for you. Not everything that comes in this house is yours. No.
Cooter, say chicken. Don't interrupt me, say chicken. Yes, you can. There you go.
Get it.
Let's get you tucked.
None. Zero. Nada.
What are you two up to? I see a monkey, I see a cat, and I see a big mess. What did you do?
What's between those ears? Is it a brain? No, just floof. Are you in the jacuzzi? Are you in the jacuzzi all by yourself?
Wait, I just started. I haven't even sung anything yet.
People ask me, why do you spoil him? Why do you let him get away with so many things? Because of that face.
Rude!
Get you.
My first time at the groomer.
Time to get out of the shower, Jerry. Let me turn it off. Ow! You're out your shower. Stop. You're a bad duck.
Hi, Steven. What are you doing? Are you... Sir, I don't think this is the time. You look scary. Please don't do this to your dad.
Get it!
Hi!
Look how cute he is.
Hello!
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, no, don't do it. Don't do it. That's the horse food. Alright, fine, do it.
You can't be the baby forever! You can't.
Chase, you can be my baby. Come on. Come on. Come on. You're my baby.
I'm not gonna hurt them. Stop.
You're supposed to say 3.